Welcome to PT Surya Selindo. PT Surya Selindo was founded in 2005 at Alam Sutra, Tangerang. Started as trading company whom supplies industrial needs, such as tools, grinding stone, and industrial lubricant. In 2010, PT Surya Selindo opened warehouse facilities for lubricant storage. In 2012, head office moved from Alam Sutra to Ruko Golden Ballpark. As time goes by, between 2012 and 2013, we have changed our business orientation from trading company to manufacturing company. In 2013, started machining division in Kawasan Pergudangan Taman Tekno. Machining division is processing and mold for forging, locomotive motor, and some days of automotive parts. In 2014, we joined all division into a bigger facility in Kawasan Pergudangan Taman Tekno. In 2015, we have partnership for chemical and detergent with Kagaku. In 2016, we started produce grinding stone.